How to find your likes on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can see liked posts, videos or photos on Facebook. So in order to do this procedure, first of all update your application. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update it. After you're done updating your application, click on the open button and then log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. Now in order to find your likes on Facebook, tap on the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner. After that, go to the gear icons. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit and you'll need to go to login activity. So on this page, you need to scroll down and head over to the section of your activity. Under it, you can see there are multiple options. First of all, you have activity log. Tap on it. Once you tap on activity log, you'll be able to see all of the information right over here. So you can just go ahead and tap on public post, public tab or story activity as well, or you can just go ahead and look for personal information. Once you've done that, and similarly, if you want to see the likes and all that, you need to go to activity history from the top right hand side corner. After that, it's going to take you to this page, so tap on filters. Once you've done that, go to category, and from here you can just go ahead and select either your Facebook activity across your Facebook, personal information and all that. So here you can see all of the likes and posts that you've made on Facebook. That's how you can see liked posts, videos and photos on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.